Hey, how you doing? Yeah, it's me, BigNorv. We're gonna be cooking a salad. You don't really cook a salad, you kind of make a salad. So I'm gonna show you how I do my salads because I'm getting fat and I need to start eating a little bit better. So, here's my container, because I don't have any big bowls to put salad in, but we're gonna start with some spinach. Just like that. Now, some people prefer to take the stems off the spinach because apparently it's a choking hazard. I have yet to choke, but here's praying I do. So, spinach is not like lettuce, so there's no crunch, there's no nothing. So, I like to substitute the crunch with some carrots. Like I said, it's a very, very simple salad. Now, you can see my fat gut right there. This is sanitary. Now, these will be put in a bag at a later time to stop from, doing whatever. So, to your discretion. It's a pretty big salad, so just kind of sprinkle in some carrots. Now, I prefer the julienne cut carrots because I don't know why. If you want to throw in some, slices of carrots, by all means, go for it. Do what you got to do. I'll put that in a bag later. Now, also, some crunchy bits, some cucumbers, or as the Jamaicans say it, cucumbas. If you know that video, leave a like down below. Now, you can use these to make your eyes look great, to do whatever you want. I prefer them in my salad because it gives it some crunch. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, hey, Adam, there's a lack of, some other stuff in there. You're right, there is. I don't got that stuff. Now, you might have noticed the production quality on the last video. That's not the same in this case because I just thought, since I'm making a salad, it'd be something on my phone like usual. Now, me being the person I am, we all know I'm a fan of the Italian because one of my best friends is Italian, plus I kind of like the tang of it. Now, people say salads are healthy, yes. What's going to get you is the salad dressing. Look, they even put Joe on here, a little zesty Italian, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, your discretion whether how much you put on there. But yeah, that's good enough. So then here comes the fun part. And, what most people do is put this, like we do with the pasta salad. Just remember the pasta salad. This is the same container. Just, put the lid on it and play fucking Yahtzee with it. And there you go. You got yourself a nice little salad. Now, I know this isn't the most extravagant video, but hey, we need to get a video out there to the people, to the kids. Let people know how to cook food. What the fuck is going on here? Yeah. So, that's my fat ass teaching you how to cook a salad. So maybe it could help you. Try to get you in the mindset of eating healthy. Oh yeah, by the way, anybody else eat a salad with a spoon?